New science shows that eating just one chocolate biscuit a month can make you put on 500 pounds. Hey everybody, welcome to Words Phrases. The word we're going to look at today is this one. Hyperbole. Hyperbole. And it means exaggerated statements. Right? A way of speaking that makes something sound much better or worse than it really is. Now, pronunciation is thus. Hyperbole. Hyperbole. Phonetics, and this is roughly what it looks like in normal alphabet. Hyperbole. Hyperbole. What it isn't is hyperbole. It's not hyperbole, alright? It's hyperbole. Okay, let's have a look at some examples of hyperbole in action. Two places that you might find hyperbole. One of them is the news. Now, look at young Robert here. He's watching the news and he sees a news report about chocolate biscuits and dieting. Hey! The news says, hey, new science shows that eating just one chocolate biscuit a month can make you put on 500 pounds. Alright, just one chocolate biscuit a month can make you put on 500 pounds. New science shows. Stop eating chocolate biscuits. Now that sounds like a lot of hyperbole, but let's put it to the test. 6 months later, Robert is eating one chocolate biscuit a day. Duncan comes to see him. Hey Robert, you look the same. It looks like your one chocolate biscuit didn't change you too much. No, there was a lot of hyperbole in the news report. There was a lot of hyperbole in the news report. Another place where you'll find hyperbole is when people are selling you things. So, as an example, imagine infomercials. Duncan here is looking at an infomercial for a balloon. And the infomercial tells him, hey, you've got to get this balloon. It's the most amazing thing you can ever buy. It's yellow, it's bright. It'll change your life. It's made of amazing material. You have to get this balloon before everybody else buys the balloon and we have no more balloons to sell. So, Duncan buys the balloon and it's delivered. But he's less than impressed because when he invites Robert round to see his new balloon and Robert says, hey, Duncan, I see you've got your new balloon. How is it? Duncan says, well, there was a lot of hyperbole. It's not actually as good as I thought it was. The infomercial used a lot of hyperbole to sell me that balloon. The infomercial used a lot of hyperbole to sell me that balloon. Okay, that's how to pronounce the word hyperbole, and there are some examples of using it two ways you're going to find two places you're going to find hyperbole: in the news and when people are selling you things. So I have one more question for you. Can you think of an example of hyperbole? Write it in the comments, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Time for a chocolate biscuit.